like Christmas Day here at the Driven Dream Garage. We're unwrapping all of the presents for the
I'm not gonna lie,
the 911 SC.
I felt very special just in here by myself, looking at all the boxes and seeing what they were.
Let's go.
Let's see what else we got over here.
What's our big red box? What's in there?
That is the.
That should be our switch.
Yep.
Okay.
We got sway bars.
Dude, I might have to come up with those end links. It'd be nice to get them end links, but I don't know.
So we got the Koni shocks. New iBox springs, and strut bars.
And I don't remember if we got Koni adjustables or not, but I hope we did, just so we can Koni adjustables and give us a better start on the launch, just like the Supra from Fast and Furious.
There you go. Because I mean, that car looks just like that car, right?
We designed our car on early 2000s computer.
Yeah, we got lots of stuff here. What are the instructions?
Yeah, I mean, this all looks like a very well taken care of 40-year-old car.
I think the gold came out okay.
I was worried at first until I unrolled the stripes and I kind of matched the stripe. I think it's gonna look good.
So yeah, I didn't look at the start yet. Because apparently he didn't, he said like paint job, but he said he couldn't get it. That's what he emphasized.
I mean, I was worried it was a little yellow at first, but
So was I, but it looks good in person.
yeah, like once you can see it in person. Probably got that. I don't even know if it'll fit in there.
So what are we taking off there, Adam?
We are taking off the sway bar mounts.
Okay.
Look out! Uh-oh.
Let's see. Not an awful. Those ones aren't an awful. They're probably not original. They're very old. I think our new one comes with toggle bushings.
Oh, that's nice.
It'll be a little bit further.
Are we gonna find the end of that?
Yep. The front's a little bit trickier, but not much.
And then this cover. Take off.
I see my first sign of non-Porsche approved zip ties down here.
Anything?
On the oil cooler line. Yeah, you can hold that side up.
Oh, I do see a zip tie.
Actually, Porsche does have zip ties.
So they have a little crest
Like-
in them.
No,
Because
but
I
like
bought some of those.
even on like the GT3s where they have those brake duct coolers, like those get zip tied.
Oh, well, yeah, because that's the lightness. You gotta
Right.
All right.
That's one.
Oh yeah, put those on Porsche Marketplace. Yep. Original parts.
So where is our new one?
There we go. Got it.
We're not here with it?
It's got. I mean, it goes this way, but if I could just get. I just need something longer than this.
Let's see what we got.
I don't think you've got a pipe that will fit over this. Oh, there we go.
There it goes.
Alright, to have a brake bar usually in Porsche wheel.
I just had the trip.
Man, you outdid the big wrench even.
I think that loosened it for me. I think it knocked all the dirt and stuff off.
Yeah, shook it a little bit.
Nick's here.
Here. I'm here with Days and friends.
Hey, Chris.
Nick's gonna be working on polishing this baby up while we're working on the. You did a hand up there?
Come on, Adam. I was just making assumptions and they were all wrong.
Uh-oh.
Every single one of them.
Well, you know what they say about assuming things, Adam. Got our new iBox sway bars going on. Get the front ones on. I think it'll be a little bit too dark for any off-roading today to do another test of it. Get right over your shoulder. On up over here.
We're getting ready to bolt our new sway bar mounts.
Okay.
The aluminum and poly setup. New gloves.
So this kit is really great. It looks like it's just gonna mount right onto these factory mounts that were already here. Pretty plug and play.
Bench. Yeah, here you go. I got two different ones. Here's this one that goes. So this upgraded sway bar, what's it supposed to
So it's
improve?
stiffer. And it's adjustable. It has different mounting points. So this only has one mounting point. That's what it is. Ours has the back either has
Get
two.
your gold, other gold with it. Oh, here we go. Oh, God, there's lube around here. Y'all.
That's slippery. This stuff's sticky. There's so much.
There's stuff everywhere.
So much happening.
There's a lot of Porsche excrement all over the floor right now. At least it's not turkey stuff.
That is a serious torsion bar, you can tell. Rip it up. We're not messing around.
We want no sway.
That's why.
So I'm setting it on the middle right now, which is
Wait, are those the sway?
neutral for enhanced.
Sway or torsion bars?
These are sway bars.
Okay.
Sway bar. Torsion's the thing that does the suspension, basically.
Right.
But these will we're going neutral, but it's already stiffer. Like if we go to soft,
Is Robert trying to knock the brackets off?
I don't know.
No, that bushing's got to come out. I don't think that's the best way to do that.
Yeah, Adam might be onto something. Fire might be our best bet here.
Burn it out. Oh my. I didn't think about that. Not sure that'll. I mean, that's gonna come out.
I'm not prepared to find out bushes tonight. Come on, Adam. Jeez.
And they don't tell you how to get it out. They just say get it out. Yeah, right. That ain't so easy. Ever need to cut it? Then we got to get something back in there.
The poly bushing shouldn't be as hard to get in there. It probably would be cut into two pieces.
What you think, AJ?
Let's see.
That way ain't going.
Check how Nick's doing on the truck.
I'm making it less noisy.
Oh, look at that. That's silent now, Nick. Good job. So tell the story again. Oh, God.
I told you I apologize. I can't apologize anymore. I don't know what's happening.
God.
I had a chicken sausage and peppers for lunch.
Oh, God, yeah. I forgot to taste it.
Apparently AJ tasted it. I've already put all those work cushions. These washers.
Those, yes, those go there.
If I remember correctly, right?
Though he didn't remember where he parked the RS7 yesterday, so.
This way, right?
Too soon, Robert, too soon.
Okay.
So,
The rear sway bar is on.
Sway bar.
Set.
rear sway bar is on and set.
The front just needs to be.
We're getting the front on. And the
I've got
Plate.
a bunch of our exhaust bulbs loose.
I don't even know what time
I don't make any noise at all. I just want to see how many frequencies there is.
so we don't. Nah, probably not.
That feels like one of those things where you should stop.
Yeah.
You should stop when you feel like you should stop instead of doing one more thing.